Nikhil said fastest, the fastest bike and fastest car. Which was faster?
Bike.
Car guys are sleeping. The bike did it in 170.43. The car did it in 170.81.
It's always pleasure to have the senior rallyist here, you know. Anil, Siki, Phil is also, I would consider, in the senior bracket now, because these guys have got what it takes, and it's good to have fun with these guys. Sir? I would request Panditji, the senior most rallyist here in our midst. Panditji, are you around? Chale gayi ji? Deepak Balucha, Stuart Saab, on the podium, please. Announcing the next category of results. This is for the zip category. Again, phenomenal response in Delhi for the zip, and that is why the second track came up. And again, we were able to do close to about 180 races in this category today. And you know, we've come up with a concept in this. Speed Sprint started for this category. That is, people who want to be part of our sport cannot spend the money on the car, extra car, or do not have the extra car, but still can have the thrill. So here is what the zip category is all about. And then we had our pro gentlemen walking in and sweeping away all the trophies. So modifying it for this time, for the first time in the country, we have come up with a concept of giving trophies to all the novices in all the categories in Speed Sprint. So even if you had somebody senior running in the category who's actually taken away the podium, you still fight amongst the novice, and if you're the fastest, you do get a trophy. So that should be instigation enough for him to come back to the show again. But at the same time, it takes away your chance to be a novice rider next time. Starting with the 4x4, that is the four-wheel drive cars. Coming in first is Harpreet Baba, Team Thunderbolt. Coming in second is Anil Wadia, Team Thunderbolt. It's though we had 10 rounds in this category, but there were 2 participants, so there is no third for this particular category.
अच्छा घर के पास है ठीक है यार मेरे को मुश्किल लग रहा है किंतु जा रहा है
So some wet wipes from Hanku.
कोई और बंदा है
Coming in for the next category, it would be the above 1600cc category. Coming in third is Lakshay Veer. Coming in second is Harvinder Bola, Team Thunderbolt. Coming in first is Phil Mathaya, Team Thunderbolt. Phil, can we have you here for your trophy now? Somebody take away his phone, please. This is for the novice now. Novice winner for the above 1600cc category is Amitesh Singh Bakshi. Amitesh, are you here? Amitesh Singh Bakshi. Coming in For the next category that we move on to is the diesel category. Coming in third is Suresh Yadav. Coming in second is Anil Wadia, Team Thunderbolt. Coming in first is Akshay Jain. Can I also have the winner in the novice category? That is Anchit Agarwal. Anchit. So here we recognize a novice. Anchit, from here you graduate to not being a novice since you received the trophy now. If you could stand on the side. It's always nice to stay back for the entire PD so that you can support the rest of the participants also. This category, again very well fought. Anisha Kotra, sorry. Coming in third. Anisha, are you around? Anisha, are you around? Okay. Coming in second is Bani Yadav. Bani. Coming in first is, I'm seeing her on the podium after a gap, Sarika. Good to have you back in the sport, ma'am.
1 year.
1 year, yeah, actually. वही बनिया से पहले भी गैप था.
I got married.
Congrats, Sarika.
Thank you. This is Anisha.
Can I have Arya also here? She's the novice winner in the ladies category. Arya, are you here? Ira, huh? She's gone. Okay.
Mini winner.
Thank you so much, Sachin.
Going on to the open category. Again a well fought category. Coming in third is Harvinder Bola, Team Thunderbolt. Coming in second is Mohammad Yusuf. Coming in first is Phil Mathai. Phil. Novice winner in the open category is Nakul. I was surprised to see this guy on the left hand side or the right hand side of the car for the first time. For a moment I actually thought he was just driving the car around. Well, Nakul, good to see you. It's a nice time you've got here.
तुम्हारे पंक्चर हो गया.
ये नॉविस के विनर है जनाब. जगह करो एक नंबर पे. एक नंबर पे खड़े होंगे ये भी. यहाँ जगह करो. Phil is the open category winner and he is the joint first in the novice category. Nakul, it's a nice feeling to be on the top, right?
2 people on the first. He's novice.
No, he is the novice category winner. Since he's
Still haven't changed the trophies.
no, a little bit. If you match them to the old one, they are.
They still look like. I mean, you can't tell the difference.
No, the angle is different. Thank you, guys. The next category is the SUV category. Coming in second is Suresh Yadav. Suresh ji. Coming in first is Bani Yadav.
Herein lies the problem.
Sir, it was because of penalty. Timing was better than us.
Oh my God, these guys are going to have a tough time home, huh? ये तो पंगा पै गया. Sir, do you realize that you were on number 2?
Anyway, he also have a number 2.
So I'm just, she's made a point to make you realize that you're on number 2. The novice category winner is Naresh Yadav and Nitin Yadav. Naresh and Nitin, are you here? Anybody here who can collect on behalf of Naresh or Nitin? Okay. Thank you guys. Pleasure to see you.
Thank you, sir.
और रियलाइजेशन पूरा हो गया नंबर 2 का. By God, this is the right way of doing it. Coming to the up to 1150cc category, coming in third is Raheel Mohan. Mohan, is he around? Coming in second is Anil Wadia. Coming in first is Mohammad Yusuf. Team Thunderbolt. Anil Wadia. Mohammad, are you here, Yusuf? Yes, sir. Oh, sir, chatti chatti karo.
First prize, नहीं चढ़ता.
We do not have a novice in this category. Congratulations.